Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to log in to Zelle online banking. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Zelle login. So here it is. Simply tap on this first website over here. Now click on Get Started. Now we need to search for the bank. Here it is. Now click on Search. So here's the bank. Click on Feature. Now click on User ID. We need to enter our user ID. And if you want to save your user ID, click on this button and enter your password. After you are done, simply click on Login. If you have forgotten your ID or password, click on Forgot ID/password. Now simply click on Login to get into the Bank of America interface through Zelle app. So this is all. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.